In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set user permissions in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a team or just getting started, understanding how to adjust these permissions ensures your team members have access to the tools they need without compromising your account's security. So, let's dive right in and make HubSpot work for you. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your HubSpot account. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your browser and input your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which is essentially the central hub of your operations in HubSpot. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation bar, where you will see the Settings icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Users and Teams. This section is where the magic happens. Here you will manage all user settings and permissions across your HubSpot account. It's essentially your command center for ensuring that everyone has access to what they need. Now, you should see a list of users associated with your account. Click on the name of the user whose permissions you'd like to modify. This will open up their profile page, which provides comprehensive details about the user's current permissions and roles. Within the user's profile, look for a tab labeled Access. Click on this Access tab, and you'll see the option to Edit Permissions. Clicking this allows you to get hands-on with the specific settings and roles assigned to the user. It's where you tailor the permissions to fit the unique needs of each team member. Once you're in the Edit Permissions section, you'll notice options to choose the access level. You have two main choices here. Either customize the permissions for this user manually or apply a predefined permission set. This gives you the flexibility to either stick with tried and tested settings for efficiency or tailor each feature precisely to how you prefer. Don't forget to toggle permissions for the various HubSpot tools and features on or off as needed. Each toggle corresponds to a different feature or tool within the platform, so be sure to consider what that user needs for their particular role. Finally, once you're satisfied with the permissions selected, make sure to hit Save to apply the changes. It's critical to ensure that these adjustments are secured to maintain the functionality and security of your HubSpot environment. And that's it! You now know how to set and manage user permissions in HubSpot effectively. Keeping your user permissions in check not only bolsters productivity, but also safeguards your data privacy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials like this on mastering HubSpot and other tech solutions.